Veal Francese. This meal is so simple and fast and easy. These are veal cutlets cut from the leg, or you can butterfly open a chicken breast, or get about a 7 to 8 ounce really good sized portion of whitefish fillet. In the next pan, the flour comes before the egg with Francese. Okay? So we take sage, dry sage, granulated garlic, and onion, and we mix that into flour. The veal itself, or chicken or fish, is seasoned on both sides with fine sea salt and white pepper. We have olive oil heating over medium heat, and we're going to fit as many in as possible. So we need a transfer tray and a piece of foil to go over it to keep the veal warm. When the veal is completely done, when all of the veal is cooked, we then need this whole setup before you start cooking. You need a sliced lemon here, some parsley, the juice of 1 whole lemon, a couple dabs or pats of butter, a little cream, a little bone broth or stock, and white wine. We dredge in the seasoned flour. So the protein itself is seasoned and the flour is seasoned. Then we place an egg, always wiping and shaking off excess as you work. And you see how I line this up as close as I can get there to the pan itself, right? Number 1. There we go. And number 3. That's all we can fit in there, that's for sure. And this is why we want the oil kind of medium and gentle. You need time for the chicken to cook through. Veal. Veal or chicken, actually. You want the eggs to get nice and puffy and golden brown. And the meat is very thin, super thin, but we do need it to cook through. So it goes about 3 minutes on side number 1 and 2 minutes on side number 2. So there's the veal, guys. Keeping it warm under a little foil tent on the warm stovetop. Now, in the same pan I cooked all of the veal in, I add the butter. Then we add in sliced lemon. Very thinly sliced lemon to brown that a bit. Let's talk garlic bread. I toast my ciabatta rolls or big loaf. Then I add the layer of garlic oil and butter combo. Then I add Parmigiano cheese. Then I add the parsley. Then I just pop it back under the broiler. I'll probably burn this, so John, remind me, please. You pop it back under the broiler just to set the cheese. Now, we browned our lemons. So now we can build the sauce. So now we're going to add in some white wine. This is a Tuscan white. 2 slow turns of the pan, about a cup, and we're going to let that reduce. We also have the juice of 1 lemon that we're going to add into the mix here. And then just to make more sauce for people to mop up with their garlic bread, we're going to add a little bit of stock. So the very last thing we're going to do is add, now this is a Mamma Leone thing. I've actually never seen this before I read it in their book. They add cream to their Francese sauce. This is the way they did it back in the day, and we're going OG with this. So I'm going to stir that in while it's simmering and add some parsley and just combine and let that go gentle, gentle, gentle. Okay, guys, here we go. Our beautiful, huge slices of veal francese, these beautiful cutlets, and then we top it with our sauce, Mamma Leone style, with the sliced lemons, wine, lemon juice. Take our garlic bread, put that alongside.